Okay, Daddy got a new RYOBI. RYOBI. Brushless. Roxy and Daddy is unboxing it.
Okay. Cut all this. Cut. You're such a
Big help.
big helper.
Okay, now let's open the part.
Okay.
Oh, it's so stuck. We have
To the camera. Show mommy your scissors.
What you doing with your daddy?
my scissors.
What are you doing with your daddy?
Helping him.
Okay.
Oh, look. There's the part. I found it.
You found it? Oh my
I
gosh.
found the part. Oh, look. This one. Time for me again.
Okay, alright.
You have to go out the lines and then open.
Let's see. What is this? Can you open this one up?
Yes.
Open this one up for Daddy. Okay.
Daddy, I opened it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a fully electric.
Again.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. How's this gonna go?
And yes, this.
Is that a battery?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
What is inside? It's the hand. Oh, it's the Roxy.
Just this one. I found it because I'm hiding. Let it go.
What it does is it picks up all the dead stuff,
Uh-huh.
and then after I do that, I go back over the yard and it puts holes in the ground
Okay.
to help with the.
RYOBI? Are you how you say it?
Are you crazy?
RYOBI and Roxy. Roxy.